In the fertile crescent of Mesopotamia, in the city of Uruk, lived a king named Gilgamesh. Known for his strength and wisdom, he was feared and respected by all. Yet, Gilgamesh was tormented by an unyielding desire for immortality. One day, a wild man named Enkidu appeared on the outskirts of Uruk, terrorizing the herds and disrupting the peace. The gods, wishing to balance the power in the city, sent the temple prostitute Shamhat to civilize Enkidu. As Shamhat taught Enkidu the ways of civilization, he grew stronger and wiser. Upon learning of Gilgamesh's tyranny, Enkidu decided to challenge the king. The two fought, and after a long and brutal battle, Gilgamesh emerged victorious. Incredulous at the strength of his new companion, Gilgamesh accepted Enkidu, and the two became inseparable. Together, they defeated the monstrous Humbaba, the guardian of the cedar forest, and slayed the fearsome bull of heaven, sent by the gods as punishment for Gilgamesh's arrogance. However, Enkidu's fate was sealed by his role in slaying the bull of heaven. Stricken with a fatal illness, Enkidu lay dying in Gilgamesh's arms. In his last moments, Enkidu shared a secret with Gilgamesh, telling him of a plant that could grant eternal life. Gilgamesh embarked on a journey to the bottom of the sea, guided by the sun god, Shamhat. After many trials and tribulations, Gilgamesh reached the water god, Uruk, who helped him find the fabled plant. Upon returning to Uruk, Gilgamesh was met with disbelief. The plant, wilted and withered, could not grant him immortality. Gilgamesh realized that the wisdom of the gods and the strength of his companions were the true keys to a lasting legacy. In the end, Gilgamesh accepted his mortality, and his story became a timeless tale of friendship, adventure, and the quest for immortality in the heart of Mesopotamia. The Epic of Gilgamesh continues to captivate readers and scholars alike, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of ancient Mesopotamian mythology.